Good morning, everyone. So I start my day with a small prayer. May all sentient beings be happy. First thing first, I need warm water in the morning, and then I would drink Indian sweet tea for my breakfast. Sometimes I eat samba. That's barley. We call samba in Tibetan. Well, last week I cut my hair short since I have to wash it every day, and I also wash my scrubs every day and dry it outside my place. Thank you for dropping these flowers for me. It looks so beautiful. I also need some time for myself before going for work, and I like to detox myself, so I'm making a lemonade here. By noon, my partner will prepare lunch and dinner, and I would pack my dinner for work, and by 2:30 I would get ready to work. Most important thing is to use the sanitizer and take with you. So let me start my car, and here I'm in the car. It takes like 10 minutes to work from my place, and I would like to park at the cheaper lot, and I would walk like 2 minutes to reach my workplace. Let me use the air safety thing and get ready to start my shift by 3 p.m. So I work in a med-surg unit, and this is my colleague, and I would like to take a 15 minutes coffee break. You really need to keep hydrated, and say hi to my teammates here. I usually do 8 hours shift, and I like to take my dinner break around 8 p.m. And last week they have provided free food for every staff. Thank you so much for that. So my shift ends around 11:30 p.m. I would take off everything and save my N95 mask since we get COVID patients here. So washing off my hands properly and disinfecting all the glasses and shoes. So saying bye from my locker room. So I'm walking towards the parking lot, and I would reach my room around 12 midnight. I would take off all my clothes, shoes, coats outside, and take a shower and get some good sleep. Thank you so much for watching.